Hey everybody, Miss Downs here. I'm going to teach you an optical illusion art project this week. And optical illusion is, when you say optical, it's meaning to your eye. So when we create an illusion, you're going to be able to see kind of playing with your eye. The art's going to play with what you see. So this is a pretty simple project, but it takes patience and it takes time. So I just want to show you, I'm going to go right into it, and then you can see as I'm doing it how it starts to manipulate what you're seeing. It gives it a little bit of a vibration, this project does. I'm going to be using my oil pastels. I don't have crayons. Crayons are just as good, or you could use markers. Anything is fine. I'm going to use my oil pastels because there's a lot of colors. So you're going to just start in the middle. You could kind of think of like, here, let me make this my paper so I know you can see it. So I'm going to build right in here. This is going to be my area. So in the very center, I'm just going to kind of do this kind of star-like piece, this star-like figure. And then I'm going to take another color and I'm going to trace around it. Okay, and now I'm going to get another color. And I'm going to trace around that. So each time I do it, I want to stay pretty close to the one I just did. So you want to have a little white in between, but you want them to be close enough that they're almost touching, but not quite. So I'm going to pick another color. So as you can see, every time I do this, I'm going to pick a new color. Here's a yellow. And I just follow the pattern each time with my color. So I'm going to take another color. Now, I'm going to stick with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So I'm going to start again with the red. You could keep going. You can have all the colors be different colors if you have that many crayons. Some of you I know have really big crayon collections. So then the next one would be, so I have red. Oh, I skipped blue. I'm going to go ahead and put my blue right in there. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to put it right in here. There we go. So they touch, that one touches a little bit. That's okay. It's going to be part of your eye. Looking, okay, so we did blue, red, green's next. Oh, that's the wrong green. Hold on. Kind of want to keep it accurate. You're going to keep going. There we go. What's next? And we got yellow. Trying to not touch, but staying as close as I can. And then what's next? Purple. Now, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to start it again when I'm finished. So hold tight. Ta-da! So I just kept going and going and going and going all the way until I hit the boundary of my paper, and then I kept going as if I was pretending I could go all the way around. So let's do one for an example. Let's look at this purple right here. So I started here and then, oops, almost off the paper, back, down, oh, off the paper, but I can continue it around here. So I want to keep going even though certain spots start going off the paper. And then I do the next one. So what's next? Blue. Oh, blue went off the paper, and then I keep going off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. okay? And eventually you're just gonna grow them all the way so it goes all the way off the paper. Now there's two things that are happening here that your eye is going to notice. One, because I'm not perfect and I can't make it the same every single time I make this shape again and again in a different color, it starts to twist a little bit. So your eye is going to notice that. It's going to look like a little bit like it's twisting. And then also, if you can get you as close as you can, so if you want to go back and fill in some of that white area, your eye is also going to see it as vibration. So it's going to see a little movement in there, which is what's called an optical illusion. So like I said, you can use any colors you want to. You could even just do this with black and maybe one or two colors. That's fine as well. It's really your call. It's about what you, unique artist, what you want to do with this project. So I hope you're well. I'm so excited that you're doing art at home. I miss you. I appreciate you greatly, and I'm absolutely immensely proud of all of you. Take care. Bye.